Hey everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. We got the Phoenix here. It's a folding electric wheelchair made by Discover Your Mobility. This chair can support 265 pounds of weight. It is airline approved. It comes with 2 batteries that are actually stored in the frame, so they're easy to access. And between both batteries, you get a 22-mile battery range. So a lot of range. When you remove the batteries and the joystick, it gets down to 44 pounds, so it's lightweight. It's got a wider seat. It's almost 19 inches, so it's a great folding electric wheelchair. It's similar to the Airhawk, if you're familiar with that, but it's a little bit bigger. But I'm gonna get into it in this video, show you more about the Phoenix. Super durable. Put all my weight in the armrest. When you get out of the chair, no need to worry, you can put all your weight on it. As far as accessing the batteries too, they are, there's 2 on each frame. You just push this button here and it releases them. So this is what you would bring on if you're flying on an airline. You can see we have one on this side. Now we have this one out. So people always ask if you can operate the chair with just 1 battery, and you can. They're also labeled, I think, so you know which side it goes in. Actually, it's not. I don't think it matters. And then as far as sliding it back in, do it just like that. Now you can notice here on the batteries, you can test the battery life. I can press this button. It'll tell you on each battery. You also notice there's a charging port here. So currently, the design of this specific model, you cannot charge it right now. That's going to change. That's why this is here, but you will be able to very soon. By the time you watch this video, you probably will be able to, but currently, if you want to charge the batteries, just like most folding electric wheelchairs, you just charge it directly on the joystick. Just plug in the charger here. When you do that, it'll charge both batteries. You also got a USB charging port as well. You can charge your cell phone or your electronic device as well from the batteries, which is cool. So we got a flip up foot plate, pretty standard, nothing crazy. We also have on the front wheels, these are flat free. Same thing with the rear. The rear are also flat free. Got these reflectors. Got a little storage pouch, the zipper. Comes with a wireless remote. I'm not going to demonstrate it in this video, but you can just pair this. It's really easy. Connects by Bluetooth to the joystick, and then you can operate it with this. It comes standard. It's an attendant remote control, so you can, as you're a caretaker, you can operate this chair, walk alongside them. So pretty cool that that's included for free at no additional cost. Now cushion, it's like this memory foam, but it's this nylon kind of material. It's comfortable. You can also take it off, and you'll notice we got these straps. So I can adjust these straps. I can make it more loose if I want. If you want to have more of a softer feel, but if you want it more firm, you can just make it really tight. And like I showed at the beginning of the video, they're strong. I can flop right down in here. It's not gonna phase it. You'll notice as well, the joystick is on the right side. If you want to switch it to the left side, easy to do. You just pop off this little cap, put the joystick into here, and you just tighten it here. Now the joystick is adjustable in length. So if I wanted to, if I'm like a taller person and I wanted to extend it out, you can't extend it too much. You can adjust it probably like 2 to 3 inches. You can just tighten it wherever you want it. If you want it all the way in or further out, you can do that. Now I like the fact that the joystick, it's easy to remove. You can just unplug it here, take this off, and this is expensive. So when you're flying with this, this is something I would definitely recommend taking off. It's easy to do. Take this off, also take off the batteries and carry those on with you. And then you check it with the airline. Because it's a mobility device, there's no cost to do that, so it's free. So easy to reconnect. Also, The armrests, they flip up. So you lock it into place like that, but if you want to flip it up, you just turn this little dial, and then these come all the way back. So you can, it's just easy for transfers in and out of the seat. It is made of carbon fiber, so it has this kind of glossy finish to it. That's what makes it that lightweight design. On the back, got some anti-tip wheels here. Got your two motors. They're two 180 watt motors, so 360 watts power between the two of them. Freewheel levers, right now it's in power. I can push them both forward. And if I turn off the chair, now I can push it manually, just like a manual wheelchair. Or if you ran out of battery, you needed to push it to your destination to charge it, that's what you would need to do. Because if you have them both in this power position, pulled back, you can't push it because that activates the electromagnetic brakes. As I mentioned, the rear wheels, they're flat free as well. I think I've covered pretty much everything about the chair. There's not a whole lot to it. I'm gonna show you how to fold it. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. Simple to do. I'm going to turn this off first. If you want to fold it to the most compact position, the best thing to do is take off the cushion, and I'd flip this up. Then you'll see here on the back of the chair, there's this bar. I just press this bar up like that, and that will release the link, and then I can fold it right up. So the anti-tip wheels, they actually act as support to keep it upright. So pretty narrow. I think it's about 12.5, 13 inches wide. The height, if you move the joystick, it's about 30 inches. Easily store this in your closet. Won't take up much space. And then to unfold, just grab the back of the seat back and just unfold it like that. So super easy to do. Oh, one other thing I forgot to show you. Put the seat back on. So on this this mesh material that's on the back, you can adjust the firmness of this as well. We got these straps so you can make it more loose or more firm. So you have that ability as well. So let's take it for a spin. Try it out. First thing I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to get in here and just show you a couple things about it that I like. So the chair is, a lot of these folding electric wheelchairs, or really any like power chair, you got super tight turning radius, so it basically spins in its own footprint. So this is great for inside your home. Actually, before I get into taking it to different terrains, I want to show you the joystick. I didn't go over that. So this is a really nice joystick, digital display. We've got your speed, it's in kilometers per hour. Here's your speed control. It says gear 2. I can up this to gear 5 to get to that top speed. That's your power button to turn it on and off. Also have a horn button. Let's back this up, we got a car coming. But yeah, that's pretty much the joystick. We have these two arrows here as well. You'll actually never use these. I think this is for like troubleshooting if something went wrong, I believe, but there's no purpose of these as of right now. If you did pair the remote, it would have a little Bluetooth symbol here, because that would show that it's connected. And actually you can see right now it has a little Bluetooth with a strike through, which shows it's not connected, but this would be lit up without any strike through. Now this chair is not really designed for, I mean, you can ride it in the grass, and I'm going to show you. You can ride it different kinds of terrain, but this is better for smooth, flat surfaces. See, we got a little incline here. I'll show you how it performs on this. Now, if I let off on the joystick, it's not going to keep going because the electromagnetic brakes stop it from continuing to drift. But if I turn around and I go up this incline, so you can see here the type of incline it is. It's nothing crazy, maybe like 8-10 degrees, but it goes right up that, so it's no problem. So if you have a ramp in your house, like any standard ramp, you're going to be able to get up through that ramp, no problem.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So a question we get a lot is, can you ride it in the grass? Yes, you can. You can ride this around your yard. It's not a problem. It does fine in the grass. Now, it's going to do better if you are riding it on a smooth, flat surface, but no problem. No problem to ride it in the grass. All right, so here's another thing that people always want to know if they can fit in the chair. So I'm going to give you a reference point here. I am 6'4" in height. I weigh 235, so I'm under the weight capacity, 265. You can see what I look like. Now, I'd say it's a little small for me. I can still ride it, you know, it's fine. This personally wouldn't bother me, but I could see why it may bother some people. I don't have a good bend in my knee. It's not that 90-degree angle in my bend in my knee. But you can see, like, when I control the joystick, it's pretty intuitive. I can back up. If you're pulling up to like a dinner table, the armrest could get in the way, so you could flip them up like this, and then you could just, I'd put it down to the lowest setting, speed setting, so I'd put it in like gear 1 like that, and then just slowly go up to the table. And then you could eat, armrest won't be in the way, and you just have to back up like this. So yeah, pretty cool folding electric wheelchair. I mean, it's well made. I think it has a sleek design. I like this blue color. I think it looks really nice. But if you have any questions about it, give us a call. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com to learn more about it. We also have an unboxing video. We'll link it at the top of the screen here. So if you want to see what to expect in the video, it's a folding electric wheelchair, so there's really not much assembly. I think the only thing you have to do is attach the joystick, and then just take the wrapping off of, like, the wheels have wrapping on them and the foot plate. But that's pretty much it. It's really easy to assemble. But hope this video is helpful. You guys have an awesome day.